Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do a lot more uploads than that, but that's my regular schedule. So if I get to the point where I am not filming constantly like I've been lately because I love it so much, then just know you always have those 4 upload days, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, which I just said. Okay, so today we're doing a wig review and we are doing another Freetress equal, because why wouldn't we? Because I love Freetress equal. Okay, and this is V-003. I feel like I know that I did another one. I feel like it was maybe V-002 or 4. I just can't remember. It's one of them, but it's in the Freetress equal playlist, which would be down below as well. And this is the one, I'm pretty sure that's the one I have. Yeah, this one here is the color that I have, and it's SOP22613. SOP22613. So she is long. It says that she is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. They have her in this one color that's like that super orangey color. I want to try a wig in that color. Super long, I don't know would be the best for me, but I do want to try a wig in that color. It says it's a lace front premium wig. I will link down below where you can get it online and how much, because I got mine on Poshmark, so I will link it down below. This is Miss V-003. Yeah, she is long. She definitely has an ashy blonde. This is not one that's going to need toned if that's what you are looking for. I'm loving the depth in there. Parting space is very nice. She's a number 2-ish root. But it really works, I think, with all of this. It's very sombra'd in. This is the cap construction. You have 1 comb set near the part, 1 comb wide. She's got a nice parting space, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Let's get her on and then see what we're talking about, what we're working with. Okay, she is a left-sided part. I'm going to tell you right now, the wig cap is comfortable, but it's not... I would not say that it's a large wig cap. Where are my ear tabs? Okay, she wants to be a sort of a deeper part. The density is nice. It's not super dense, especially here, which makes it just look more realistic. Of course, like hair down to your butt, how realistic can you be? I don't usually like the swoopy bang, but I do like how it's like all meshed in here. Okay, you could shift her slightly if you wanted to. There is a little bit of room where the tabs are, but not a ton. Ooh. Hey. All right, let me get this girl together and then we'll see what my final thoughts are. I want to try to add this in more, but the count on my camera right now is 10:34. So it's taking me 10 minutes to sort of like get her together. I really like this wig. She reminds me of the one that I reviewed before, and I think it was 004. for. There's something about this one that I actually like better. That one is in the playlist, and I actually reviewed the same wig in 2 colors, so it's like a different type of video. The couple things, this isn't a larger wig cap, but it is very comfortable. I really like the density that it is being this length. I'll tell you though that, do you see at the ends, this is going to get pretty ratty at the ends pretty quickly. It does respond best to a round brush, and then when I originally combed it out, I do feel like a detangling comb versus a detangling brush is just better for this wig. I actually really like the coloring. I usually don't like a number 2 root, but on this one I do. I like the layers. I do feel like it would be easy to sort of cut it. I mean, this could be pushing the 30 inches. This is going past my belly button, and I'm 5'6.5". See, it's a lot of hair. I feel like all of this could be cut off and it would still be so gorgeous. This is one I might actually keep and cut. I usually don't like the swoop bang. I just like the color. I like how it is laying. I like the density. So I feel like if I cut that little bit off, I'll be good with this one. You can sort of train it with the round brush, because I like it to be trained to go away from my face. The only thing, and again, this is not anything to do with the wig. I actually really love this wig. This is my personal preference. I don't like bumped wigs. This one does have a slight bump, which makes sense because then you want these bangs to sort of go out like this. The thing about this is I did set it down a little bit. With other bumped wigs, it's like a filler fiber, which there is a filler fiber there, but it's actually, there's an additional 2 tracks as well. So you have to be careful. Like, I had to make sure that when I was setting this down with the heat, that it was actually covering the track, that I wasn't just melting down filler fibers. There's an actual track there. I didn't pluck the part at all, just set some baby hairs down. And yeah, I would just want her to be sprayed. I'll spray her once I'm done filming the intro, just because I want to be able to move the hair around for that. Let's look at her from the back. She can shift a little bit. I'll have to tell you, I've been wanting to say this. If you shift her too far this way, the ear tab is very uncomfortable, so I did shift her just slightly. You do have some of these like full blonde tracks back here, so it's not like it's sombreed all the way through, so you just have to make sure like you do this so you don't expose that fully, see, the fully blonde track, but it shouldn't be a problem really. She's a lot of hair. She's a lot of hair in length, but she's not a lot of hair in sort of density. She would be so cute in a pony. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh yeah, that's adorable. So yeah, I actually really love this wig. I recommend this wig. Like I said, I will put down below all the links, all the other Freetress equal wigs. Oh, look how pretty. Yeah, so if there is another Freetress equal wig that you would like to see a review on, please put that down. Oh, the texture, I'm so sorry. So the texture is, it's a yaki texture, but it's like soft and bouncy. So it's going to, yeah, it's a yaki texture. She is going to tangle a little bit, partially to do with the way that the curls are and partially because of the length. The length is long, so she will tangle for that reason. If there's any other Freetress equal wig that you would like me to review, please put that down below. If there's any other sort of long wig you would like me to review, please put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.